Hello, my name is Pankaj Agarwal. We are looking into a basic concept on number theory, parity. Parity means we think about odd even. We are applying that in this question on LCM and HCF. Have a look at this question. X and Y are positive integers. We have to see whether it is possible that GCD of XY plus LCM of XY plus X plus Y is equal to this number. Is it possible or not? Obviously, when you look at the right hand side, the number is big. And we cannot factorize it. So, what we might do is think about odd even. But before thinking about odd even, let's look into this. Same. Let GCD of XY equal to D. That means X is a multiple of D, Y is a multiple of D. So, let X equal to PD, Y equal to QD. Can P and Q have some common factor K? Suppose P is a multiple of K, Q is a multiple of K. Then what will happen? X and Y are both multiples of KD. That means KD will be the GCD. So, that contradicts our assumption that GCD of XY is D. So, PQ must be co-prime. PQ are positive integers, but PQ must be co-prime. Now, PQ are co-prime, XY we know. What is LCM of XY? LCM of XY will be multiple of P, multiple of Q and multiple of D. So, it will be PQD because least common multiple. Now, apply this in the equation. D plus PQD plus PD plus QD is equal to 2016, 2017. Obviously, this can be factorized. D into P plus 1, Q plus 1 is 2016, 2017. Now, just have a look. The right hand side is an odd number. So, D must be odd, P must be even, Q must be even. Just think, P and Q are both even. That means P and Q cannot be co-prime. This contradicts our basic assumption that P and Q are co-prime. So, there does not exist positive integers XY that satisfies this question. That's all. Thank you.